Imagine you're running a factory. You've got a conveyor belt, and each step is predefined from assembling parts to packaging the product. This is your classic workflow, efficient, predictable, and perfect for tasks that follow a strict process. Now let's say you have a team with skilled workers who can figure out the best way to solve problems on their own. They're autonomous, adaptable, and can handle complex situations without needing you to micromanage every step. That's what we call an agentic system. Today, we're breaking down the difference between agentic systems and workflows. So let's dive in. First up, workflows. A workflow is like a recipe. You follow a fixed sequence of steps, and as long as each step is done correctly, you'll get the expected result. For example, let's say you're processing an online order. Step 1, verify payment. Step 2, pick up items from the inventory. And Step 3, ship the order. Each step is predefined and the process runs smoothly, as long as nothing unexpected happens. Workflows are great for tasks where precision and control are essential, but they struggle with flexibility. Now let's talk about agentic systems. These systems are made up of agents, autonomous units that can make decisions on their own. Unlike workflows, agents aren't limited to a strict sequence. Each agent is assigned for a specific task and has tools it needs to get the job done. If something unexpected comes up, the agent adapts and keeps working. Here's a simple way to compare. A workflow is like a factory in a conveyor belt. Every step depends on the previous one, and everything must follow the same path. An agentic system is like a team of problem solvers, each working independently but contributing to the same goal. Let's look at the real-world example. Imagine you're using an AI to write an article. In the workflow, the process might look like this: research, write, review, and publish. If any step fails, the whole process stops. In an agentic system, you'd have separate agents for research, writing, and reviewing. The research agent could gather data, the writing agent could create the draft, and the review agent could check for accuracy, all independently. If one agent hits a snag, the others can continue working. It's more flexible and adaptable. So why do agentic systems matter? Because they're built for complexity. They're perfect for situations where tasks can't be clearly defined, flexibility is more important than strict controls, and the system needs to handle unexpected inputs or changes. Think of applications like chatbots, autonomous vehicles, and dynamic problem-solving tools. This requires adaptability, and that's where agentic systems shine. Here's the bottom line. Workflows and agentic systems aren't competing, they're complementary. Use workflows when you need precision and predictability, like processing orders or running payroll. Use agentic systems when you need flexibility, autonomy, like customer handling or generating creative content. Understanding the difference between workflows and agentic system is key to building smarter and more effective solutions. So the next time you're designing a system, ask yourself, do I need strict control or do I need flexibility and autonomy? Got questions about workflows or agentic systems? Drop in the comments below and let's discuss. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Artificially Intelligent.